When you say he's in the military, he's away in the military?
Yes. She does not, but
she's
she chose
doing
to.
it. She's
so don't
doing
complain
it.
about it now. Don't complain about it now.
Years old. Does she go to daycare or anything?
Yeah, she goes to daycare, and I pay for all of that.
I wanted a granddaughter, and I was like, I'm sorry.
She's just not being a good mom right now.
It's okay, I'll take care of her while you're in school, and all of a sudden something changed, which is why we're sitting here now.
Financial support that she needs to take care of your daughter.
That is what I know. I'm doing this for my daughter.
Well, what I know is you're getting ready to pay child support. Okay, Ms. Wilson, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, I have a son named Tanner Wilson, and he has a daughter with Nikki. And Tanner's in the military. Nikki is off at school, but she's not helping do anything. I've been raising their child for the past 6 months, so I'm not getting any help or assistance or anything from her.
Okay.
So I need some type of child support from her.
And where is Tanner?
Tanner's in the military.
Oh, he's
in the military.
So when you say he's in the military, he's away in the military?
Yes.
Okay. All right.
A grandmother steps into court with a shocking claim. Her son Tanner is away serving in the military. His partner Nikki is off at school, but the child they share has been left behind. For 6 long months, the grandmother has raised their baby with no support, no money, no help. Now, she's asking the judge to step in and force Nikki to take responsibility. But how will Nikki respond when the truth comes out?
When you say he's in the military, he's away in the military?
Yes.
Okay. All right. And Nikki, does she visit with the child? Does she bring you any groceries?
She doesn't do anything. I mean, she went off to school. She's in New York, so she'll come home sometimes and get her on, breaks or something. But half the time when she's home on breaks, I don't even know she's home.
Oh, wow.
So she doesn't really do much of anything for Sterling.
So she will come into town and not see her child?
Yes.
How old is Sterling?
She's 2.
Okay. 2 years old. Does she go to daycare or anything?
Yeah, she goes to daycare, and I pay for all of that.
The judge digs deeper. Nikki, the child's mother, doesn't bring groceries. She doesn't pay for daycare. She barely even visits her 2-year-old daughter, Sterling. Instead, she comes home for school breaks without even letting anyone know. And when she does, she often skips seeing her own child. The grandmother shoulders every burden alone, paying for daycare and every expense. But the shocking details about Nikki's lifestyle are only beginning to surface.
Does she go to daycare or anything?
Yeah, she goes to daycare, and I pay for all of that.
How much is daycare?
Oh, gosh, $200 a week.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is pretty expensive.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Is there anything else you want me to know before I move over to Miss Nikki?
I just, see her like on all these TikTok videos and on Facebook where she's partying and clubbing. I mean, I get it. You're in college and you want to have fun, but don't forget that you have a responsibility.
Okay.
You still have a child at home that needs you. A mother needs some help, And
I agree with that.
Yeah, she's just not being a good mom right now.
Okay. All right.
The cost of daycare alone is $200 a week. And while the grandmother struggles, Nikki is living a completely different life. On TikTok, on Facebook, partying, clubbing, sharing her fun while her baby girl is forgotten at home. The grandmother pleads with the court. She needs help, and she needs Nikki to step up. But Nikki doesn't see it the same way. What excuse could she possibly give next?
She's just not being a good mom right now.
Okay. All right. Miss Nikki, why are you not being a good mom?
It's not that I'm not being a good mom. It's just that I'm in school full time.
Okay.
And
so being in school full time means you can't be a mom?
Well, I'm away at school. So on my breaks, I go home.
Away at school means you cannot be a good mom?
I am a good mom. I am going to school full time. The point is when I got pregnant, I didn't want to have a child. I was in school. I didn't want that for myself.
Okay, but the baby is here now.
She is.
Finally, Nikki speaks. She insists she's not a bad mom. She claims she's just a full-time student. But when the judge presses her, her words reveal something chilling. Nikki admits she never wanted a baby in the first place. She says she was in school and didn't want her life interrupted. But the judge reminds her Sterling is here now. The baby exists, and excuses won't pay for diapers or daycare.
I was in school. I didn't want that for myself.
Okay, but the baby is here now.
She is.
She's 2. So besides going to school, what else do you have that defines you as a good mom?
I mean, I do what I can.
As in what?
As in,
She just said
she's here
that,
now.
excuse me, she just said that you are not providing any financial information and you barely come to visit the child when you're in town.
Like I said, when I got pregnant, I did not want a baby. She was like, I wanted a granddaughter. And I was like, I'm sorry.
Judge doesn't let up. What exactly makes Nikki a good mom? Her answer, silence, because she hasn't provided money. She hasn't been there physically. Then the shocking truth comes out. Nikki confesses she never wanted the baby, but her mother, the grandmother, did. It wasn't her choice, she argues. But now the judge reminds her that choice or not, responsibility can't be ignored. Tension explodes in the courtroom.
I wanted a granddaughter. And I was like, I'm sorry, I don't.
Oh, I get it. So because you didn't want Sterling and she did, she is
We had a
her
whole agreement
responsibility.
before this. Like, she was like, I'll take care of her. I wanted another child.
right. She will take care of her. I don't
Yes.
believe she thought that she was going to be raising another child on her own. Am I right about that?
Yes.
She
We
is
had
a
this
grandmother.
conversation. I'm in school full time. I told her I
How
can't.
long do you have left in school?
I have a year left.
So Sterling is going to be with her another year, and then another year, and another year. She's just going to raise the baby.
No, I will have a job by then. I'll be working.
Okay.
The grandmother wanted another child in the family. Nikki claims they had an agreement. Nikki would go to school. Grandma would raise Sterling. But agreements don't erase reality. The judge asks the hard question. Is grandmother really supposed to raise this child for years until Nikki is finished with school? Nikki swears once she graduates, she'll take over. But can the court trust her word when her actions already tell another story?
Year, she's just going to raise the baby.
No, I will have a job by then. I'll be working.
Okay.
She's 2. She won't remember any of this.
I'm just going to play like you did not say that.
She won't. I mean, I when I go home, I see her. We FaceTime. All of that.
You
I mean,
obviously came here to
when
waste
I-
my time.
No, I'm not. I mean, I don't understand.
I mean, I don't understand either because you said as I was saying and you still haven't said anything.
I said what I had to say.
This-
I'm in school full time. What do I do?
Take care of your child. You can.
I do the best that I can.
Okay.
In a jaw-dropping moment, Nikki shrugs off responsibility by saying Sterling won't even remember this time in her life. The judge's face says it all utter disbelief. The grandmother is furious, reminding her daughter that FaceTime calls don't equal parenting. The judge demands answers, but Nikki offers none. Instead, she hides behind the same excuse. I'm in school full-time. The courtroom grows tense as everyone waits for the judge's ruling.
What do I do?
Take care of your child. You can.
I do the best that I can.
Okay. So is it true what she said about you being on social media, going to clubs and all that kind of stuff?
Yes, I am a influencer. So I
So,
try to get
wait a
brand
minute,
deals.
hold on. You said you're in school full time, you don't work,
Correct.
but influencers get paid.
I haven't gotten paid
Come
in
on,
a
make
while.
it make sense.
I haven't gotten paid in a while.
But you get paid
Yes.
and you can send money for Sterling, right?
Yes, and I do.
And you don't.
I do.
That's not what she just said.
Then comes the biggest twist yet. Nikki admits she's more than a student, she's an influencer. She has a platform, she earns money. But when pressed, she insists she hasn't been paid in a while. The judge sees through it. Influencers do get paid. And Nikki, finally, admits she does make money. Yet the grandmother has received nothing. Zero. The lies begin unraveling. And the judge isn't finished exposing the truth.
I do.
That's not what she just said. So is she being untruthful? Or
I
are
do.
you
I
being
do what I can.
untruthful?
I am in school full time. I don't know what else. This is so crazy to me. Like why we're right here right now because
We're here right now because grandmother needs some financial
grandmother
assistance for her
chose
child.
this life. Grandmother chose the life.
You know what?
I didn't choose this life. However, I love my daughter to pieces. I don't regret anything. However, I would have liked to wait.
So
you know-
grandmother chose this life.
Yes, grandmother wanted to take care of her. It's okay, I'll take care of it while you're in school. And all of a sudden, something changed, which is why we're sitting here now.
The grandmother tells the court she never asked for this life. Yes, she wanted a grandchild, but she never signed up to raise a baby alone. While Nikki parties and studies, Nikki fires back, claiming it was her mother's choice all along. But the judge silences her. Whether or not grandma wanted a grandchild doesn't change the facts. Nikki had the child. Nikki is the mother. The responsibility is hers.